everyone, welcome to one more video. Elvis here, and today I'll be talking about a milestone that a client have that I think that many business owners have when they are trying to pay or to hire someone to make their ads or to make their changes or improving their business online. Maybe we'll be creating an ad, scheduling appointments using their accounts, managing their site. So the thing that I saw that many business owners have in common that they are afraid is because they think that when a copywriter or a web designer or someone who will have some access to their accounts using their how can I say their login credentials, they will try to steal the information. So I think that this is a clean, and I approve that they can and need to be more wise about that, because nowadays we got too much scammers that can use these informations maybe for bad purposes. But the thing that I know is that when you give access to someone as a member for some platform, can be your Google Ads account, your Facebook account, the worker, so the freelancer or the company that you would like to work with, we need to have this access to make their adjustments, to place their budgets that they want to spend or make some edits, because I know that trusting someone who doesn't can I say who is not there with you in person, it's really difficult these times. So I'm telling this story, and I'm giving this knowledge to you because I notice it, because many clients have been talking to me, and then we can have all the qualification questions, everything, and then when we are ready to close the deal and I ask them to give me access for their ads accounts or Google My Business account or other platform that I can help them or I can build for them. I ask for their email, and then I put some password, and then I will give to him for her management. So I noticed that many business don't trust someone in internet. I don't trust so one of the things that I think that you can use to make you more wise and to know if the person is real, you can request for some documents about the company, about the person, some identifications, so when something wrong happen, you have some proofs with you that you can go to the police station or any other department of the state that can deal with this, and you can be safe, because we are seeing that many business I'm seeing that many business are losing the opportunity, and they stay in the same type and the same level because they don't trust, and they don't have some how can I say they don't have some tactics to approve or to reject them. They always stay like, oh no, I don't like this, I think you're a scammer. There are their internal thoughts, and this is normal because many business nowadays or many people are getting scammed online. So this is a quick video. I hope you enjoy, and you share this to other business owners. Thank you. See you. Subscribe to the channel and share this to other business owners.